In this video, I'll be sharing my honest review of the Daylio app, a simple mood tracking and journaling tool designed to help you understand your emotional patterns. Daylio lets you record your mood with just a few taps, add activities like exercise, work, or relax, and even include short notes. Over time, it builds charts and insights showing how your habits affect your mood, making it a great way to spot trends in your daily life. The interface is colorful, user-friendly, and ideal for people who find traditional journaling time-consuming. On the downside, the free version has limited features. The premium plan unlocks deeper analytics, more moods, and customization options. Some users also feel it lacks depth for serious reflection since it focuses more on tracking than expressive writing. Overall, Daylio is an excellent tool for building emotional awareness and creating better habits, but it's best seen as a companion to mindfulness or therapy, not a replacement. If this review helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech and wellness insights.